defense. Did you guys want to say anything?
No, Your Honor. Ms. Thompson in her PSI did make some comments to the family, so we just asked them to state she'll thank that.
Well, I'm not going to read them. If she wants to read them, she can read them, but...
Right off the bat, notice how the judge gives complete control to Ms. Thompson here, letting her read the letters or not. It's a subtle way of showing courtroom protocol respects both the defendant and the victim's family's input.
That's 100% up to her. So having said that, anything else we need to do before sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so with that, court read the PSI, read the letters in support of the defendant, heard from every single member of the family wanted to speak to me with regard to Ms. Thompson. With that, I'm sorry, with the decedent, Kayla. Having said that,
this is where you can see the judge building the narrative for sentencing. He's not just looking at evidence. He's considering jury reactions and witness credibility, which can subtly influence the weight of the decision.
And having watched the trial and having watched the jury's reactions to each individual thing that was placed in evidence, and having watched the witnesses testify as to what they testified to.
Here's a chilling detail. A trace DNA sample from under the victim's fingernail ties the crime directly to the defendant. Forensic evidence like this is a game changer. It's precise, hard to dispute, and explains why this case moves swiftly to sentencing.
It's interesting that I note that the defendant was in the beauty business, and the beauty business is what led the police to the defendant through the DNA sample that was found.
Life without parole. This is the harshest sentence under Florida law. The judge explicitly says he has no discretion, underscoring how severe and premeditated the crime was. This is not just about punishment. It's a statement on the gravity of the act.
Underneath the fingernail of the victim. With that, I also understand I have no discretion whatsoever, nor would I want any discretion whatsoever with regard to this particular case. I do believe the defendant needs to go to prison. I do believe the defendant's, in this particular situation's crime was heinous in the way she tracked down, located, showed up.
Notice the procedural wrap-up. Ms. Thompson has 30 days to appeal, which is standard, but given the life sentence, an appeal here is a long shot. The applause marks the end of a tense chapter, both for the court and the victim's family.
And then killed Ms. Thompson. With that, the court does sentence Ms. Thompson to adjudicate her guilty sentence to life in prison. Under Florida's criminal punishment code, that's without parole. And she will serve the remainder of her life in prison. And anything else?
In order of restitution,
Order reserve restitution. The outstanding court costs will be a civil lien. With that, anything further with regard to the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. With that, Ms. Thompson, you have 30 days to appeal the sentence of court. If you cannot afford a lawyer will represent you. And I will make the present investigation letters and the information that was presented to me a part of the court proceedings. Thank you very much. And our business is concluded for the day.
Except for that one lady. Thank you very much. Karaoke? Thanks very much. Appreciate it.
She's probably outside. Yeah. All right. Too late to get thanks to Warren County.
I said that a little faster than
What do we have tomorrow? A trial? Who are we going on? You okay. We're gonna, is that a mystery base? A mystery base case?
Yes.
Huh? Is the victim going to show up for that? Oh, maybe. No. I thought they spoke to her. Everybody spoke to her. How are you going to take her depo tomorrow?
He's going to order a reporter. He'll take his up in the morning and we'll give him the start of the
We'll see.
Judge, can we have one of bailiffs make copies of those letters if possible, just so I can put them in my file?
We can. I don't know how they're going to make them, but
I mean, we have the PSF.
let me see if Sabrina can come. She'll make it.
Can I get a point of
Hey, Meet, come on in and so you make copies
Like you were
of
gonna
these
say
letters here for the defense. Thanks.
I'm sorry, Judge?
No,
Talking to Jamie.
Oh,
Sabrina.